and the sound is perfect to express our Indian classical ragas. So Indian classical music has two parts. One is the melodic, जिसको हम राग बोलते हैं. It is a combination of notes that we explore melodically. So जो धुन आप बोलते हैं, अलग-अलग धुन होते हैं, with different types of tunes. They are all melodic. So that is one part. The other part is the tal, where the tabla becomes an important part of the classical tradition. So I play the melodic part, he plays the rhythmic part. So together we form the structure of a raga. You all must be knowing that how many swaras or how many notes are there in music. What are the basic notes? How many notes? कितने स्वर हैं संगीत में? Anybody? Raise your hand and tell me. Anybody here? कितने स्वर हैं संगीत में? कितने स्वर हैं? 7. Correct. ये जो तानपुर आपको सुनाई दे रहा है, इसमें एक बेसिक ड्रोन है, जिसमें the first note is heard. Right? You can hear the sa there. Sa का मतलब है षड्ज. The first note is called षड्ज or षड्ज. Sa. Can you all sing sa? तानपुर आपको सुनो. So when we combine the different notes, we get raga. So different patterns we can make out of these 7 notes. Like for example, if sa is 1, re is 2, and ga is 3, what would be 1, 2, 3? Sing. Only 3 you have to sing. 1, 2, 3. Only first 3 notes. Now start 1, 2, 3 from re. Right? If you sing from ga, it will be Now if you have to come back from the upper sa to lower sa, we start from the upper sa. Just the 3 notes from top sa will be sa, ni, dha. Right? Listen to the tantra and sing along with it. Sa, ni, dha, ni, dha. Ma exercise that we teach and we practice regularly. So when we play fast, then we can create different emotions with different speed. Sari ga re ga ma ga ma pa ma pa da pa da ni da ni da. Sari da ni da pa da ma ma pa ma ga ma ga re ga re sa. So it's like a fast moving vehicle or a train or a horse riding. Right? If we sing it slowly, so the emotion changes. If you stand in front of God and if you have to pray, you will sing very softly. It's like a prayer, right? So this is what we do in ragas. We try to bring out different emotions. This is the structure of how we have to bring out the moods of the ragas. Now coming to the rhythm part, if there is a basic